Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your networking with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. Sign in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Ensure your profile picture is professional and recent. Write a compelling headline that highlights your current position and expertise. Craft a detailed summary that tells your professional story. Include key skills and keywords related to your industry in your summary. Add your work experience in reverse chronological order. Detail each position with specific accomplishments and responsibilities. Incorporate multimedia elements such as documents, images, or videos to enhance your profile. Use the featured section to showcase your best work, publications, or projects. Connect with relevant professionals in your field. Personalize connection requests with a brief message explaining why you'd like to connect. Join industry-specific groups to engage with like-minded professionals. Participate in discussions to increase your visibility and showcase your expertise. Share valuable content regularly to establish yourself as a thought leader. Engage with others' posts by liking, commenting, and sharing. Explore LinkedIn Learning for courses that can enhance your skills. Request recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients. Offer to write recommendations for others to encourage reciprocity. Set specific networking goals, such as connecting with 5 new people each week. Monitor and adjust your networking tactics based on what works best for you. Utilize LinkedIn's search features to find potential connections in your industry. Attend LinkedIn-hosted events or webinars to grow your network. Make it a routine to check your notifications to stay engaged with your connections. Follow companies and influencers relevant to your career path for insights and opportunities. Don't hesitate to reach out to connections for informational interviews or mentorship. Stay active and keep your profile updated to reflect your evolving career journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.